Good morning, this is Phillip Streible, Senior Commodities Broker at R.J.O. Futures, giving you your weekly metals commentary here for Wednesday, March 27th. Looking at the metals, actually a lot of interesting things going on with the gold market right now. One, it started off on a very weak note here. We were down at like $15.92. It was down like $6, $7. You had silver down about 58 cents. A lot of traders talking about a seasonal trade where, selling gold on a specific date and buying it on another date had resulted in a, 70-something or 80-something percent time that seasonal has worked out. So that was, I think, part of the catalyst for the start of the sell-off. Now the second thing is here, tomorrow is first notice date on April gold, so a lot of traders have to make some decision in their mind whether or not they're going to roll this position over from April to June. We saw this type of situation when February went over to April. It seemed like gold was a deteriorating percentage-wise asset. There were other opportunities in the market like the S&P 500. So a lot of people decided not to go from the 1 month to the next month, and it caused liquidation pressure on the front month. So that could be your second catalyst here for gold prices selling off. Now, looking at the way we responded after the 8:30 open, we saw a push back through the 1600 level. We're trading at like 1604 right now, which tells me that some of the retail investors may be choosing that rollover to continue it on to the June contract. So I think it's a lot of small technicalities in the rollover that are causing this type of weird movement right now, in a combination too with the seasonal. Now other things here, you have the Cyprus banks are supposed to open up later on today. There's no question how the public is going to perceive that. I know if I was locked out of my bank account for the last week and a half to 2 weeks, I'd be very concerned on moving some money and generating some liquidity. So you may see a small rush on the banks, which could cause another little bit of a surge in the gold market. Silver prices quite lower here today. Real interesting. They pushed down almost to $28. They started to rebound back after that. Platinum, palladium just holding steady. Copper still showing some signs of weakness here on uncertainty over in Europe and large supplies over in China. Now, if you have any questions, give me a call, 1-800-438-4805. Remember that futures and option trading does involve risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.